I have Sher Ali here, and he is I really like him, his work. I find him a very nice, decent man, but I really like his work that he has done. So that reflects who he is. I hope you will like, after listening what he has said in my conversation today, and look at his website and work, and he's very active on Instagram. So he has something to say about our interview today. Please, Sher Ali, can you share anything you want to?
Sure. Hello everyone. Today I gave my interview. This was the first interview I have given to somebody. Usually I try to avoid going public, but it was very nice when she invited me for interview. First I checked her work. It was related to life and enlightenment. Then I agreed to give an interview. I thought by expressing my feeling about my work and my family, lots of people ask me about how do you manage all of this profession, work and family. So I hope this interview will help many people that how do I manage all of this. And it was really nice giving this interview to Shua.
Having the conversation.
Yeah, conversation. And after this interview, this informal conversation, she has a blog and YouTube channel. Do go to her YouTube channel, check out some of her work. What she is doing is really nice.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate that.
Thank you.
Shukriya bahut.